2025 is about to get a whole lot more exciting for content creators and adventure seekers. DJI is back with the Osmo Action 6, and the leaks are suggesting some serious upgrades that could finally challenge GoPro's dominance. From a bigger, more advanced sensor to next-level stabilization, stunning 4K and 8K video capabilities, and improved ergonomics, this camera is designed for creators who want portability, durability, and cinematic quality all in one compact device. And this video will break down every leaked detail, from specs, price, and release date to how the Osmo Action 6 could redefine action cameras for vloggers, filmmakers, and extreme sports enthusiasts alike. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you've been waiting for the next big thing in action cams, stay tuned because this might just be the GoPro killer we've all been waiting for. The action camera market is heating up in 2025, and DJI is back with its highly anticipated Osmo Action 6, a camera that could challenge even GoPro's dominance. Following the success of the Osmo Action 5, DJI has been listening closely to creators and enthusiasts, and the leak suggests the Osmo Action 6 brings a host of upgrades in design, image quality, stabilization, and smart features. From specs to price and potential release date, this next-generation action cam is shaping up to be a serious contender for anyone looking for a compact, rugged, and high-performance camera for adventure, sports, and content creation. The rumors surrounding the Osmo Action 6 indicate that DJI is not just refining its previous models but aiming to create a GoPro killer that balances portability, durability, and cinematic capabilities in one compact body. One of the first things expected from the DJI Osmo Action 6 is a significant upgrade to the sensor. Leaks suggest a larger and more advanced CMOS sensor, delivering improved dynamic range, low light performance, and vibrant colors, making it ideal for capturing both fast action and cinematic shots. Whether you're filming mountain biking, surfing, or vlogging in varied lighting conditions, the Osmo Action 6 aims to deliver superior image quality that rivals higher-end cameras without compromising portability. Alongside the upgraded sensor, DJI is rumored to include enhanced image processing technology, which would reduce noise, improve HDR handling, and offer more natural color reproduction, ensuring every frame looks professional straight out of the camera. Stabilization is another area where DJI has historically excelled, and the Osmo Action 6 is expected to take it even further. Featuring a next-generation rocksteady stabilization system, possibly combined with Horizon Steady technology, this camera will reportedly keep footage rock-steady even in the most extreme environments. Whether you're skiing down a slope, racing on an off-road track, or simply filming a handheld adventure, the stabilization improvements promise buttery smooth video without the need for bulky gimbals. This makes the Osmo Action 6 especially appealing for solo creators and vloggers who prioritize mobility and convenience without sacrificing production quality. The design of the Osmo Action 6 is also rumored to receive thoughtful refinements. DJI appears to be focusing on ergonomics, waterproofing, and display enhancements. Leaks indicate a front-facing screen optimized for selfies and vlogging, while the rear touchscreen might get a higher resolution and faster refresh rate for easier framing and intuitive control. Additionally, improvements in durability and weather resistance mean the Osmo Action 6 can withstand harsh environments,